This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
There you go. Love you. I love you, buddy. Have fun.
Did you see that?
I have it on camera.
What's Really? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wolf attacks, or it was a beast. It was this like single beast that would attack and kill people.
Whoa!
But I think what we found out now is that it was a whole bunch of unrelated stories that were lumped together.
Oh! Fuck. You okay?
Good job, babe. Good job. Good job.
Me!
Good job. Good job.
What is it, taxi?
Okay, stop.
Who got hit? Oh my fuck! God damn it, man! What the f is this drug-addict fucking piece of shit?
I was looking around all confused. If you're gonna bring him in, you need to really bring him in. Do you guys agree? Let me know down in the comments quickly. Let's get into the giveaway stuff before I let you go. We're still giving away a PlayStation 5 now with 100,000 subscribers. If you want to be entered to win, all you have to do hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below because it's truly random. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have of winning. And guys, we're gonna ding this any day, hopefully by month's end. So.
Dude, what?
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, really.
What?
And the police officer's pulling out to get him.
Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. I
Wow.
hope I see him pulled over.
Yep, there he goes.
Oh, that guy came along.
Wow.
I'm clapping.
Karma.
Oh, the police officer saw me. I wasn't doing it for the... I was clapping for the police officer.
Holy shit.
Honestly, I have horrors every time I see that.
Leno. Oh. Brings back nightmares for Paul Lorraine.
So, did you end the relationship there, Lorraine?
Yes, we did.
Well done.
Right,
You know, don't get played.
You currently you're currently doing it loose, are you?
I
Fuck, man, crazy cats.
And you have to prepare for it, and you have to figure out, you know, strategically how you're going to address it, how you're going to have done and should have done, because the resources are made available for them to do this.
Oh,
You're going to block everybody and say everybody else out.
Woo!
One thing is clear. They did not do the job that you quite clearly could have done.
Oh boy.
Because you're saying things now.
Oh boy.
This is not it's not. Why not? Serious question: does our bronze ever snap?
Whee!
And bringing up my normal.
Oh my goodness gracious.
I can adjust the mic on my
Oh my goodness gracious.
How's the audio now, people? Now.
Wow.
And it's not a question of glory hogging. It's just a question
Can we go
of
now?
justice.